Hey guys, it's Yvette and I am on a roll with these Cotton Cuts boxes. This one must be for the month of August because I've just opened June and July, so August is next. The one good thing about waiting so long to open all the boxes is that I get to open a whole bunch of them in a row. I've been saying that in every single video and it's no less true in the third one. So let's get it open. I want to see what's in here. Y'all know I'm addicted to fabric, so I love it. Here it is. Let's pop it open. Inside. Okay. The lovely little quote. I'm having to like rearrange myself as I'm making all these videos. Our inspirational quote for August is, "Always believe something wonderful is about to happen." Y'all, that's so true. Do you know how wonderful it is? Something wonderful. To always have that hope. To always have, I'm going to kind of move the camera a little bit. To just feel like around the corner is always going to be something great. You know, like, I don't know. It can totally ruin your life if you just don't have those positive feelings, just the hope that just all good things are coming, right? So this is so true. It's so true. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. I love it. So Noreen has put together my box for August, and inside, holy cow, she's given me a lot. She's given me some batiks. And the batiks are the 884 and 885 collections for Hoffman Fabrics. She's given me some floral, which is Enchanted by Valerie Wells for Free Spirit Fabrics. She's given me some holiday seasonal, which is Christmas Adventure by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs. She's given me some juvenile and children's, which is Read by Marla Carluccio for Wyndham Fabrics. I have not seen that one. I actually haven't seen those batiks either. And then I'm not really sure about Enchanted. I mean, I think I've seen Enchanted. Not 100% sure. And finally, oh my gosh, like most of these I haven't even seen. This is scary. How am I going to put my things together? The blenders are Painterly Petals by Studio RK for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. Holy cow, guys. Okay, here is the block of the month for August. That is a churn dash, I'm pretty sure. I'm saying that like, like I don't know. Y'all, I'm bad with names, like with every kinds of names. Honestly, it's crazy. Okay, so our designer spotlight for August is Rachel. I'm going to say your name wrong, sweetheart. I am so sorry. Tomzek? I really don't know. Let me just show y'all. That's her name right here. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong. I'm so sorry. But her name is Rachel and she's quite pretty. It says Rachel is a modern quilter based in Omaha, Nebraska. Besides quilting, she stays pretty busy being a mom to a 6-year-old and an 8-month-old. She's been quilting full-time since 2017 and enjoys designing bold designs with a lot of movement. Rachel loves great fabric, tacos, and long walks down the aisles of Target, or Target, as I like to call it. In her spare time, she can be found microwaving coffee from earlier in the morning and lint rolling thread off her pants. Okay, Rachel, I may not be able to say your last name, sweetheart, but I love you. You are like my kind of gal. I love it. So she's got a company that she calls Wren Collective. There's Wren Collective down here. And again, there's Rachel of the excellent sense of humor, which I love. And we get to choose one of her lovely patterns. We get to choose from ODYSSEY, AFTERSHOCK, Ivy League, Marcella, and Rainbow Falls. So you guys, I'm gonna obviously show you a nice bigger picture of these quilts. And I'd love for you to tell me which one is your fave. And then I'll tell you which one I ended up getting for free. Which one I chose to give for free. Okay. The lanyap for this month is... Oh my goodness, what is this? Hold on, it says, this month our special thank you is a handy pencil sharpener with a built-in eraser. Perfect to help sharpen your quilting skills and erase any pesky mistakes. So of course we got a pencil, and it says find the thimblest solution. Hopefully is that focusing in? Why is it always so hard? There you go. I think you can actually, that's focused in. And then here is the sharpener with an eraser in it. Mine's blue again. You can see it goes with my pocket mirror. I don't know if they have like this spreadsheet that they're keeping somewhere going, send to bed all the blue stuff. I have no idea. What is that in there? It looks like there's water in there, but there's not. So there's the little sharpener part. And then you just take this off. Boop, and there's an eraser. That's super cool. And then on the other side, you take that off and you can take all the shavings out. That is super cute, Kim. Oh my goodness. That's super cute. Come in handy too. All right. Okay, so let's take our fabric out. And I'm going to scooch this down so I got a little more room. I say the exact same things every time I'm making a video. You think I made a lot of videos? I'm starting to like repeat myself the whole time. Okay, here's what it looks like all together in the little box. And I'm pretty nervous because I honestly have no idea. I've not seen. I saw Christmas Adventure. That's the only one I can be confident that I've seen. And just because I've seen it doesn't mean I'm going to remember anything about it. But here we go. I'm going to like try to put these in piles. Oops, sorry. All right. The good thing about getting batiks is you know what the batiks are. So I'm going to put that there. Oh my goodness gracious, great balls of fire. What is, I have no idea, y'all. I'm going to, okay. I'm guessing. That goes there. Ooh. Okay, I think I know that one. Ooh, I know that one. Yep, because I've seen those. I have no idea. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Oh, I see what they did there. Okay, those obviously go together. That goes there. I'm pretty sure that goes there. Okay, y'all, I may be so wrong on all of this. I have no idea, but I'm going to leave things where they are here. Hopefully I did that quick enough, didn't bore anybody. Let me get a little bit of sustenance. All right. Let's start from the top. We have the batiks, 884 and 885 for Hoffman Fabrics. And I got 2 batiks. This is the first one. That is a very, very deep violet. And you can see the movement in there. Very nice. If you're a batik person, this is a gorgeous color. You can use this for a background very easily. Okay, and then the second one, I like this one. It's violet as well, and look at all the fluctuations in colors in that one. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so those are my batiks. The next is the florals, and it's Enchanted by Valerie Wells for Free Spirit Fabrics. And I'll be honest with you, like I'm making a guess here because there are, even though the blenders say blenders, it's also a floral. And I haven't seen either one of them that really sticks in my mind. So I could have them mixed up. I don't really know. So I'm kind of putting one set of florals with the blenders that look blendery to me. I think these two are enchanted. Here's the first one. I know they go together because they're the same pattern in a different colorway. So this is the like hot pink colorway. It's very nice. I love those saturated colors. Are those like doves? I mean, I'm thinking that they're doves, but I'm not 100% sure because it gets very, very vague. Like that doesn't look like a dove unless he got, let's not even talk about what happened to that dove, but I'm not really sure. It could just be a white splotch. I'm not 100%. But then here's the second one. It's the same design, but okay, it's not the exact same design, but there are some similar things on there. Like, okay, so here it is. This is in the dark blue. Here's the white splotchy thing that could or could not be a dove. And then these guys are repeated on both of them. You can see that this one's in pink. See, so I knew those went together. Okay, so those two I'm saying are enchanted. And then we have the Holiday Seasonal, which is Christmas Adventure by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Fabrics. And I've seen this collection, so these two are definitely from that collection. And they're very Christmassy. Very cute with the little campers, little Christmas trees with some presents under it. And the second one that I got from that collection is this guy, which is Strings of Lights, and it's on that navy blue or dark blue. Okay, and then the next collection is Juvenile and Children's. It is called Read by Maria Carluccio for Wyndham Fabrics. And, well, this one, I mean, hello, it's a bunch of books. So I know this one's correct only because of that. I kind of like it. You don't really know that it's books until you kind of look up close. And if you pull it back, you could do almost anything with this. I love it. I love it. And the second fabric that I got from that collection also has books on it. But it has kitty cats on it too. So you've got little kitty cats, you've got books and plants and the globe, and I think that's a clock, but I'm not 100%. This is so cute, and when I saw the little bookshelves, I knew that went with Read. And finally, the last collection is Painterly Petals by Studio RK for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. And you'll see what I mean. These definitely look like they're painted, and they're very blenderish. This is the first one. It's very pretty. I do love when you have the painted look / the watercolor look. I like that. And I got 3 of those. So that's number 1. Oh no, I got 4 of those. This is number 2. This is number 3. And finally, this one is number 4. Okay, so those are my fabrics for August. And, you know, I know I'm popping these out like all at the same time, guys, but what do you think about them? What did you get? Did you love everything you got? Do you play this little game every month and try to put everything together? I don't know. I just have a lot of fun doing it. And so I'm going to stick this all back in here. I'm going to put my little ribbon back on. And I so appreciate that you guys continue to watch me. I promise I'm going to try to step up my YouTube game. I know that I've been hearing a little bit of people missing it, and I actually do too. So I'm going to try to step that up a little bit. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in a future one. Mwah!